In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your display name in Zoho Cliq. Whether you're new to the platform or just need a quick refresher, this tutorial will walk you through the process step by step. We'll ensure that you can update your details with ease and confidence. So, let's dive right in. First, you'll want to start by logging into your Zoho Cliq account. Once you've successfully logged in, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the screen, where you'll find the profile icon. It's typically represented by a small image or silhouette of a person. Click on this icon, and it will open a drop-down menu. Now that you have the menu open, look for the option labeled Profile and Settings and click on it. This will take you to a new page that manages all your personal and account settings. Think of this as the command center for customizing your Zoho Cliq experience. Once you're on the Profile and Settings page, your next focus should be on locating the Personal Information tab. On this tab, you'll find a collection of different fields related to your personal details. The task at hand is to edit your display name, so go ahead and look for the Edit Profile button, which should be visible within this section. Clicking the Edit Profile button will unlock the text fields in which you can modify your personal information. Here is where things get a bit exciting, as you get to change your display name to whatever you'd like. Be mindful to enter your new display name carefully, as this will be the name displayed across the platform to your colleagues or contacts. Once you've entered your desired display name, take a moment to double-check your spelling and the overall look. It's always a good idea to ensure that your name appears exactly as you want. Once you're satisfied, the final thing left to do is click the Save button to confirm your changes. With that simple action, your display name is now updated. Remember, changing your display name in Zoho Cliq is not only about how others see you, but it's also a reflection of your professionalism or individuality, which can be important in your everyday interactions within the software. If you ever want to change it again, just follow these same straightforward steps. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to change your display name in Zoho Cliq. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, be sure to like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.